Hello students, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about some basic things like pressure, volume and temperature and their units. And if you want to get a handwritten notes for this topic, you just go and check out the description or else comment section where I have given link to download PDF for this topic notes. And I'm sure that after watching this video, you will definitely get an idea about what is this pressure, volume and temperature is all about. So now let's move on to the topic. Let's talk about some basic things which we are going to frequently used in the chapter states of matter. And more importantly, we have three basic things or three basic terminologies in this chapter. They are pressure, volume and temperature. So now let's talk about pressure. And what is pressure is all about? What is pressure? So in order to make you understand the concept of pressure, what I'll be doing? So I'll be taking one container over here. Let's say this is a container. Okay, so this is a container and inside this container I'll keeping some random gases. Okay, so let's assume this is the wall of the container. Okay, so let's assume the area of the wall of the container is 10 centimeter square. So just assume like that, the area of the wall of the container is 10 centimeter square. Just assume. So I'll be taking one container over here and inside this container I'll keeping some random gases, and let's assume the area of the wall of the container is 10 centimeter square. Okay, and as we all know that gas molecules are always in continuous random motion. So they are always in continuous random motion, and if the gas molecules are in continuous random motion inside this container, can I say the gas molecules are collide with each other? Can I say like that? The gas molecules are collide with each other inside this container, right? So the gas molecules will collide with each other. At the same time, they also collide with the walls of the container over here. Okay, and I assumed that the area of this wall to be 10 centimeter square. And now what I'm doing is I am dividing this area into 10 equal parts. Okay, so after I am dividing this area into 10 equal parts, if I take one part, can I say its area is to be 1 centimeter square? Can I say like that? Its area is going to be 1 centimeter square? Yes, its area is going to be 1 centimeter square. And this 1 centimeter square area is what I'm calling as a unit area over here. Okay, and you just remember that this one part of this wall of area what we calling as a unit area. Okay, and when the gas molecules are collide with each other and also collide with the wall of the container at the same time, can I say the gas molecules are going to exert some force on this wall of the container? Can I say like that? The gas molecules are going to exert some force on the wall of the container, right? While the gas molecules are going to exert some force on the wall of the container, can I say few of gas molecules collide with this one unit area of wall of this container as well? Yes, we can say that the gas molecules will also collide with the one unit area of the wall of this container. So that means the gas molecules will exert some force on the wall of the container and also this one unit area of the wall as well. Now, the force exerted by the gas molecules on this one unit area of the wall of the container, that's what I called as a pressure. So it's very simple. The force exerted by the gas molecules on this unit area of the wall of the container, that's what I called as a pressure. Okay, it's very simple. So now I can simply say that the pressure is defined as the force per unit area. Okay, the force per unit area is called as a pressure. And next what we need to learn here is we need to learn the units of the pressure. So now let me tell you the units of the pressure. SI units of pressure is Newton per meter square. Okay, SI units of pressure is Newton per meter square. And the other units are atmosphere, bar, mm of Hg, that is millimeters of mercury, and torr. So these are the units of pressure. And here 1 atmosphere is equals to 1.013 bar, and which is equals to 1.01325 into 10 power 5 Newton per meter square, and that is equals to 760 millimeters of mercury, and that is equals to 760 torr. So this was the first basic thing or basic terminology that you supposed to remember in the chapter called states of matter. And the next one is volume. The space occupied by a solid, liquid or gas is called volume. For example, let's take this container, and inside the container we have taken some gas molecules which are in continuous random motion. That means always they are moving randomly. So the free space available in this closed container to move gas molecules is called the volume of this container. And the SI units for this volume are meter cube, and the other units are 1 decimeter cube equals to 1 liter, that is equals to 1000 centimeter cube, that is equals to 1000 milliliter, that is equals to 1000 cubic capacity. So this is what I want you guys to remember regarding volume. And now let's talk about the third one, that is temperature. So as we all must be knowing, it can be simply defined as the degree of hotness or the degree of coldness of an object is called temperature. And for temperature, the SI units are Kelvin, and the other units are degree Celsius or degree centigrade and Fahrenheit. So here temperature in Kelvin is equals to temperature in degree centigrade plus 273.15. So this is all about the pressure, volume and temperature. And if you want to learn more basic things and some other important concepts related to chemistry, do subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching.